kasi nga then lumipat eh. Hey, Prince. Where are we going?
Singapore.
Pam bansang pamilya. Daddy Ren, Mami Emmy, Princess Nicole Yala at si Prince Clarence. Mag-i-enjoy kayong sila'y kasama. Pam bansang pamilya. Pam samahan natin sila. Fun-filled na banding ng pamilya.
Ignition on. Before we take off, stow your luggage under the seat in front of.
So we're already here at Changi Airport. Yay! So we're on our way to Village Hotel. Village Hotel Sentosa. Let's go. So it's our first time here at Village Hotel in Sentosa. So, ang daming first for this trip. First time to ride Singapore Airlines. First time sa magstay sa Sentosa. Sabi mo, kaya mo. Nagrereklamo na po siya, guys. Come on.
We're going in the room.
Here.
Thank you. Okay, wait.
Come on.
So, let's go.
Oo, grabe ang isang tao.
Oh. Okay, so cool.
What will you say? Whoosh. Ayun na nga. Nahiya si Mr. Tignana kasi naka-topless siya. Okay, go. Ayan. You are Mr. Tignana. That's the other Mr. Tignana. Okay, go. Chico. Boog. It's for our vlog. Hi, everyone. We're on our way to the Ritz-Carlton. That's because, oh my gosh. So we are here at the Ritz-Carlton. At ayan sila. Pangmalakasan. What's your description of a Shala place?
When it smells good.
When it smells good, it's Shala daw. Ang bango. Okay, tingnan natin to. Oh, diba? Nakita nyo yun? Parang picture frame pa lang mahal na. Okay, let's go. Ayan, dito kami kakain. Where's Tito Marvin? Saan siya?
Ayun! Ayun na, princess! Kung pwede pala naka-shirt, nag-shirts ako. Sorry, pausa.
Ayan po ang manlilibre sa amin dito. Friend, alam mo ba, yung driver ng Grab namin, paulit-ulit na sinabi, ang mahal-mahal dito, ang mahal-mahal dito. Nice to see you.
May table na tayo.
Yahoo! What are you eating?
That must be.
Okay, so si Prince ay pumunta sa Ritz-Carlton para kumain po ng tinapay. Come on, let's go to ate.
No.
Let's go to ate. At baon niya pa.
Choco pizza.
Choco pizza? Oh, for dessert, love. Cookie pizza. Anong pinagawa mong pasta?
Hindi ko alam.
Nagpagawa ka na? Ah, hindi pa. One, babe, for you.
Pizza. Okay, Mommy. Look. Daddy, say hi.
Diba parang hindi siya ano, biglang ang taas na.
Nom, 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 nom.
Ganun.
Mommy, pizza.
Tumataw eh. Uy, nasa na?
Ay, wait, isa prank.
Oh my God, nawala.
Natanggal mo?
Please, please.
Pero yung pareho kayo, yung pareho kayong galing sa school.
Please, with my teeth. Ah. Okay, Mommy, can you come to Mommy?
Yan.
Mommy, please. Please.
Ano tawag na yung bibig? Parehong green ang ano niya.
What are we gonna do? We're
Get
gonna...
ice cream. Go.
Pero winner yun.
So, ito na ang favorite part.
Yeah.
Pambansang pamilya. Daddy Ren, Mami Emmy, Princess Nicole Yala at si Prince Clarence. Mag-i-enjoy kayong sila kasama. Pambansang pamilya. Samahan natin sila. Fun-filled na banding ng pamilya.